Hi kids, Jeff Goldtrap in Nashville, coming to you with another bit of information. What if the victim doesn't show up for domestic violence trial? Now again, for the trial, now here I'm talking about general sessions. So in general sessions, what happens if the domestic violence victim does not show up? Well, here's what happens. First of all, the state doesn't have proof. If the state only had the witness. Now, we'll talk again in another time about statements made by you or any other evidence that they might have. But let's say it's one of those domestic violence cases where the only thing that the state has, the only evidence that the state has, is the testimony of the victim witness. What happens if they don't show up? Well, if they don't show up, if I represent the individual, I will make a motion to dismiss for failure to prosecute. I will ask the state if they are ready, if they have their witness, and if the state, usually the state, the district attorney, will call out the name of the person. If no one responds, no one says, yes, I'm, Mr. Offended Witness or Miss Offended Witness, then they cannot go forward. They cannot put on their case. And so I say motion to dismiss for failure to prosecute. If you ever represent yourself, remember that phrase. Motion to dismiss for failure to prosecute. If the state cannot prosecute you, then the case needs to be dismissed. Now, sometimes you'll hear the state say, we'll take a nollie. In other words, we will not prosecute this. That doesn't mean they have to not prosecute it forever. Sometimes they'll say, we want to retire the case. You want it dismissed, and I want it dismissed. So, what happens in a domestic violence case if the complaining witness, the victim, doesn't show up for trial? Motion to dismiss for failure to prosecute. Hey, I'm Jeff Goldtrap. I hope I've answered some questions. If I've only confused you, please ask a question. Reach out to me in the text, Facebook private message, on my Tennessee Legal Questions Facebook group, call my office, anything you'd like to. Hey, I'm Jeff Goldtrap. Go out there and make it a great day.